Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your computer and make your everyday experience a little more fun and comfortable. Whether you want better visibility or just a cursor that fits your style, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, select Bluetooth and Devices from the sidebar on the left. Now scroll down on the right side and click on Mouse. Under the Related Settings section, you'll see an option called Additional Mouse Settings. Go ahead and click that. A new window called Mouse Properties will pop up. At the top, click on the Pointers tab. Here you'll see different cursor types under Customize. Select Normal Select, which controls your main pointer, and then click on the Browse button below. This will open a list of available cursor styles. You can choose any one you like. For example, let's pick a slightly larger or more stylish one. Once you've made your selection, click Open, then click Apply, and finally hit OK. And that's it. You've successfully changed your mouse cursor in Windows 11. You can experiment with different designs or even download custom cursors online to make your setup truly unique. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.